Yo, start. Yo, I'm gonna burn some curry.
The girl them love ya.
Alright now.
A professor. Wow.
One thing, right?
One thing.
Now we curry that, right? Is it the oil done hot already? You know the curry things, you know.
Like them know I'm French on the girl
Alright?
to stop by the top to the man there.
Just a little nasty thing. The rice. Go on, you ready down? Chinese. Alright. Alright.
So this right here that we're looking on is
A chicken.
this is a chicken.
Yeah.
So you season back the chicken in some curry again after you boil it.
Yeah.
Okay then.
I'm gonna need a little more curry. This is the season. The curry is in the pot of.
So you put more curry in the pot with the
Yeah.
seasoning. Okay.
Yeah, it has different flavor.
Different type of curry flavor. Okay.
Next, I'm gonna season up.
The nasty of all seasoning.
This is of all season, right?
Okay.
Yes,
And you can find it in any supermarket, right?
When you have this, you have the spice. So when you have this, you call it the spice king,
The spice king.
right? Spice king. Boom. Actually, I'm seasoning up the broth in it. So with the salt. With the salt. Right here. Then come back. Pour this. Now I have some carrot here. A little carrot kind of dice up a little. Show them in it. So, take. Get. Later. Carrot in here.
And who we have in the kitchen today?
We have Frank White, chef. Need a little ginger. Let's show the chicken now.
Alright. Yeah.
And stir it.
We have Frank White, the chef.
Yeah, Chef Shellinz, right?
Chef Shellinz.
Yeah.
From
Eva Shellinz the kitchen. St. Elizabeth, man.
big up, we got it big up.
Big up, man. Black River, man. The place where I come from, Azizland. Big up the daughter, Shanice. The son, big up my mother. Everybody, first thing I'm going to say, big up Dan Carriel, my mother.
You hear that?
Yeah. Dan Carriel is a big up, straight.
To the fullest.
One Dan to the fullest.
Man.
Right? Nasty.
Alright, so
So, essentially,
right there I ask you to tell them this is the chicken.
it look giant. Don't have that little greasy look.
Yeah.
So now we're gonna put this here. Actually, make it go and simmer down.
Simmer down.
Okay?
Alright, so we'll be back.
So we'll be back. Remember, don't move.
Chef Shellinz.
Chef Shellinz. And the rice is soon ready, right? This rice is a Chinese rice. Okay?
And where you can find this?
Chinese rice. In the supermarket, you can find this rice.
Oh, so it's not that really a very special different type of rice. It's just called a Chinese rice.
Chinese rice.
Okay.
Good rice, a Chinese input. Lamb rice.
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna check the chicken now. Here is the chicken. The chicken, real curry chicken.
Say that again?
This is a real curry chicken. This is not a curry chicken for any chef try counteract or imitate. This is just a curry chicken to remind them that Frank White can drop the bombs on the curry chicken, okay? Yeah. If you ever wonder why the curry chicken cut up so fine, you don't have to cut it up like this, don't like it big, right? Some people cook chicken it big, With the skin on it, I have to take off all the skin and clean it up. So as a proper on the chicken, I have to clean up, clean, right?
Man.
Clean. So actually you can see this right now. Catch it. Purposely, you see it? This is the real thing. You can see it when you just once can turn it down. Make it simmer. Lock it. This is the original Dutch shape. Very hot. Okay?
So, chef, while cooking, who is like one of the favorite artists you really would listen to me while cooking to get in a vibe to cook some real food and, you know, have a vibe and burn a split? Cause we don't know it go.
Listen, whether Zip, I, PM, just listen to the radio and listen to all artists.
Yeah.
Just listen to some songs.
Yeah.
And take a vibe and just cook.
Yeah.
Cooking is my thing, you know?
Cool.
You just cook all day. That's my thing. So right now, I'm gonna tidy up the kitchen. Pot okay now. We're gonna get some potatoes together and everything. So you know, so everything kinda ready now. So you don't have to worry.
Man.
Okay?
Which artist is your favorite artist? Cause I hear a lot of things in the street, you know, but we'll have to hear from you.
Well,
Cause you know word of Chef Shellinz is big in the street. Everybody talking about this chef that cook all the bangs, you know, and everybody eat these food that the chef cook. They can't believe. So we would like to know what's going on.
I don't really discuss artists now.
Yeah.
There's a lot of good artists around. Nice artists and then do nice music and things. When you do nice music, you will listen. You know really.
So name a few, no?
You know really. You don't really name on the artist, you know. As me I say. You already know. I rate all artists. Good artists. That's a good song and positive song.
Alright, so which artist you think that is doing some good songs out there right now that you really like listen to?
I like to listen to artists like, you know, artists like Protege. You know, you have a new artist named Professor coming up.
Professor, that Professor, what?
That Professor, he have an album coming out soon. You can look out for it.
So who's producing that album?
Like, you know, it's Dan Carleone producing.
Okay, it's a production by Dan Carleone. Okay, that must be really interesting. That would be a good album.
Dan Carleone producing, you know, it's good thing.
True.
Listen to all type of artists like Taros, Berries, every artist. Listen me? So as me I tell you, we really discuss a lot of things about ourselves. Listen to artists and focus on the kitchen, the food, and deal with the food parts. So.
Which is your thing, which is your job.
And my job.
Cool.
Right, so as me I tell you, fame don't come with fame don't come with hype, it come with a price.
Price.
So I guess that's what so you go.
You have to just cook and keep it because that's what you love, right?
That's what I love.
Alright.
It is my thing. Every day I just cook right on the clock.
Cool.
Cook, I just cook. That's my vibe.
Okay, I know you must get a lot of ladies with these food.
It's lazy man, I'm cook for them.
Yeah.
But I'm cook for them, so I just cook and keep it in.
And just keep it as that, as a chef thing.
And just keep the chef thing.
Yeah.
Oh, liquid, don't rest of it, you know the nasty thing, right? Right? Who is the damn mobile? Some mad. Sparks, mad.
I said, nuh-uh.
You know, I said the thing, but
cool.
So we keep the thing. Love everybody and everything we do here. If we cook food for everybody. And just look out for that chef here. You see me, we soon have the restaurant and everything. Just look out so you can come around, come get your food. Right through the night, right through the day. We're gonna always be there.
You say you can sleep and wake up no matter what time and come get food.
No matter where you're coming from, food gonna be there.
Cool.
That's the restaurant, okay?
Cool, so this is
Reggae Chef.
Reggae Chef, the real chef.
Okay?
Shellinz.
Reggae Chef.
So that's
musical chef.
Man.
Okay? Snash.
Man. So every artist that you cook for have the hit songs.
Man. All artists hit songs. You cook for lots of people. People like Busta Rhymes, Rihanna, Keisha Cole. You see me?
So you put the whole Flip Mode squad, Spliff Star, everybody?
Lots of things. Lots of artists.
Okay.
Artists like Bean Man, Bounty Killer,
all of them.
Vice Cartel, Wayne Marshall. There's a lot. Professor, you know, Professor is here. So you know, right?
Yes.
Those artists. And you know, don't forget, Dan is a bad chef. Don't look out. You know Dan is mad. Dan Carleone is a bad chef. See? Lots of people. So just keep it like that, right?
So Mr. Shellinz, before you go any further, the people have been talking about the tattoos.
Oh, these tattoos?
Yes.
Oh, actually you can see here, I have my daughter and my son, and look at music thing around it. And I have a music note here. As you can catch this, we have the life over death. So you know, coming up we have the tribal. Come right up. You call this the oil tribal sign. Okay? It's not nothing for you to worry about. So you know it's Philip work, Philip production and all these things. So that's just how I go.
That's some simple tattoo.
It's like a coloring book. It's just cool, just for me, you see me?
Mad.
So I don't worry about this tattoo and watch for rated and blah thing. That's just it. That's just me. I just be myself and do my thing and easy and you know.
Enjoy life.
Everybody and enjoy myself. You know, we're not gonna there forever. You see me? Just be a look for we just have to visit. We're going back to baby stage because once a man, twice a child. This is it. So you know. Big up the street, big up Kingston, big up everywhere. I'm at as well.
So
Big
that's
up Portmore for sure. You see me? Big up Mobile, everywhere. Black River again. Azizland, yeah, that's where I'm coming from the place. Big up everybody up there. So. And me, Frank White, Chef Shellinz, Mark, bless up. Love everybody again. He's a chef, don't worry. Anything you see, he's a chef, alright? That's it. Yes.
so right there that we have the Frank White, the real Chef Shellinz.
Right?
And he's here cooking the curry chicken and white rice.
Okay, I'm gonna get a last look on it. I think the rice is finished, so we can lock it off right here. And you can check out the chicken.
Now done. And I notice everywhere we got the girls them want follow. Girl, let me tear off my shirt and my collar. Every girl wanna roll when we touching the streets, cause them here say we have the thing locked. Girls full up in a crowd, them can't wait to see me cause them here say we dep on the block. She a
So all the fans, just comment on this curry chicken and this meal today, okay?
She call me. And that a right on the clock. Girl I call the professor every day for the chemical. Say she want me left a youth in her belly. She know say me the home cause me care dead. Plus 2 more catty there beside them. The brownie know me feeling from last January. Say she want bring me in but her granny dead. Me a the only professor in her laboratory. She a tell me say your mind's and nobody can grab it away. Girl why make me tell you what you do? Cause you turn me on girl me never trouble you. Girl me fi be the man where you run up in a you push the hood in a the fire make it burn up in a you. So just climb on girl then shake and bubble. The bind that you give me girl it get you in a trouble. Girl I look for you and she a search with a shovel. Say she alone fi a bad man balls them a juggle. Wanna run when we touching the streets cause them here say we have the things that look in a crowd. Them can't wait for see because them here say we get on the block. She a jive for finally. She a type up in name on the middle of that. Professor she call me. And that a right on the clock. Me a girl a run me down, non-stop. If me come start right, girl a throw me at the bus stop. Them can't get enough of me, so them want a full pack. Girl a draw me up a stage, me a for hurry up and pull back. Energy, Irish machine on my backpack. Girl full up on me yard and from my window them a knock. Just forget to see me them a back chain and back lock. And girl for girls and wine, just forget a Snapchat. I know you me want, so no give me no back shot. Step in a me room, make me give you the back shot. Me make your belly out, you want you need them a knock knock. Girl you sitting tight and it squeeze like a rat chop. So bring it come give me, put a fatty or slimmy. Girl me like when you sit down like cheer or Jimmy. Stretch it out like Benny, me blackberry a penny. Every girl want to give me peace in every city, wanna roll. When we